India will identify, track, and punish every terrorist and their backers. We will pursue them to the ends of the earth. India's spirit will never be broken by terrorism.
A chilling terror attack in which 26 people were killed in cold blood. Families were torn apart, lives were shattered, and Kashmir was left bleeding again at the hands of Pakistan. Terrorists from across the border infiltrated into Pahalgam and targeted civilians at a popular tourist town. India responded strongly, putting the Indus Waters Treaty on hold, sealing the Atari border, and expelling Pakistani diplomats. But India made it clear that retribution is the ultimate goal. And that message came from none other than the country's Prime Minister, Narendra Modi. While addressing a public event, Modi called the Pahalgam terror attack an assault on the soul of India.
किसी ने अपना बेटा खोया, किसी ने अपना भाई खोया, किसी ने अपना जीवन साथी खोया। उनमें से कोई बांग्ला बोलता था, कोई कन्नड़ा बोलता था, कोई मराठी था, कोई ओडिया था, कोई गुजराती था, कोई यहां बिहार का लाल था। आज उन सभी की मृत्यु पर करगिल से कन्याकुमारी तक हमारा दुख एक जैसा है, हमारा आक्रोश एक जैसा है। ये हमला सिर्फ निहत्थे पर्यटकों पर नहीं हुआ है, देश के दुश्मनों ने भारत की आत्मा पर हमला करने का दुस्साहस किया।
Then, in a clear message to Pakistan, Modi said the terrorists who carried out the attack and those who plotted it will get an unimaginable punishment.
मैं बहुत स्पष्ट शब्दों में कहना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने ये हमला किया है, उन आतंकियों को और इस हमले की साजिश रचने वालों को उनकी कल्पना से भी बड़ी सजा मिलेगी। सजा मिलकर के रहेगी। अब आतंकियों की बची खुची जमीन को भी मिट्टी में मिलाने का समय आ गया है।
Modi shifted to English so that the entire world could hear his words.
I say to the whole world, India will identify, track, and punish every terrorist and their backers. We will pursue them to the ends of the earth. India's spirit will never be broken by terrorism. Terrorism will not go unpunished. Every effort will be made to ensure that justice is done. The entire nation is firm in this resolve. Everyone who believes in humanity is with us. I thank the people of various countries their leaders who have stood with us in this time.
The victims of the Pahalgam terror attack were shot dead at point-blank range in front of their families. The horrific scenes will be etched in their memories forever. For them, life will never be the same again. Closure is impossible, but payback is the need of the hour.